99.5.
99.5, the Pop Stop,
I can't stop listening.
where we play pop, and nothing but pop.
You can travel the world.
Like most of our listeners, here's a song that turns 13.
I'm waking up.
.3 Rockin' Radio. Get real. Feeling old yet? We've got an oldie queued up for you right here.
I'm waking up to action dust.
55.5, The Hoedown. Country music, evolving, changing, and never the shining star it used to be. So let's appreciate this classic.
I'm waking up to action dust.
That's not even country music.
Yar! 89.9 Pirate Radio.
89.9.
Masters of the Seven Seas. Where we play shanties, and nothing but shanties. Hang on to your gold. This shanty is going platinum.
What even is this?
105.2, The Classics. Whether you're on the road or waiting for someone in your car, get the chance to unwind and let the music do all the thinking for you.
Oh, come on! Oh, dude, thank the Lord.
Let's go.
Could you just put on Bluetooth? Hop on Bluetooth, aux. I don't even care.
Yeah.
Just play anything.
Dude.
Anything.
Dude, I literally have the best song. Throwback song. Throwback.
Okay, just put it on. I don't even care what you play.
Yeah, dude, this song's a banger.
Deep in my bones, straight from inside.